Hi grammar learner! We all know words that are used in place of naming words are called pronouns. In this video, we will play simple quiz for pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we and they. Read the sentence and pronouns options and get ready to answer these simple questions. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's start. A lion is a wild animal. It lives in the den. Mary is a doctor. She treats patients. James likes dogs. He has a pet dog. You are kind. Can you help me? I like to sing and dance. James and Mary have white teeth. They brush twice a day. We are brothers. We are reading together. Once upon a time, I found a lost puppy. It had a brown eyes and wagging tail. Okay, guys, you have to look the action of pronouns from the picture and guess the pronoun. I. You. We. They. He. She.